everyone, my name is Maria and I'm a toy maker. And the thing that I like the most about my work is helping people to make their own toys. Knitting and crochet are compared to meditation and yoga for the health benefits. Making toys is a magical part of it. Mom or grandma that can turn a piece of a yarn into a toy is a true magician to a child. I make toys, but my main goal is to help make magician out of all the moms and grandmas. Clear step-by-step instruction, photo and video tutorials, explanation of each and every stitch in row will guide you through every moment of the creating process and keep you moving in the right direction. The joy of creating is only comparable to the feeling of happiness that you get when you see the toy that was made with your own hands. The thread of the yarn balls will connect the hearts of generations in a one line of endless love and memory.